All right, so we've got, I guess, a tale of two cities here. We've got Pittsburgh, which has a decreasing population, so declining, going down every year. So this is like declining; it's going down, right? And then we've got this other one over here, Phoenix, is increasing by 20,000 a year, right? So let's just say. Um, let's let y represent the populations of the two cities, because I think I can make these are a linear model where we're increasing the same amount each year or decreasing the same amount each year, and we want to find out when if y represents the population, when was it equal? Okay, so let's just look at, we'll say Phoenix, or Pittsburgh. Let's look at Pittsburgh. That um, we can represent that as, we could say f of x, or population of n number of years. Okay, and we're starting at 1980 with 0. That's the 0 year. Okay, so if we enter 0 in, we know that that is equal to 1980. So this is the 0 year, right? Is equal to, and we're going to decrease. So we're subtracting 10,000 per year, right? And right now, currently, we have 424,000 individuals living there, okay? And then let's look at Phoenix. So Phoenix, the population is increasing. So it's going to be 20,000 per year. It's increasing, right? Plus 790,000. Now, if we just think logically here for a moment, obviously Phoenix has already surpassed the population of Pittsburgh. So we would have to go back, and it's increasing. So it's not getting closer to Pittsburgh. We would have to go back to the past to find out what year was it when they had the same population, assuming that this same trend was occurring. Okay, so when were the populations the same? When were these two the same? So we can use substitution to set the equations equal to each other. Okay, so let's do that. So we have 20,000 and plus 790,000, okay, is equal to negative 10,000 and plus 424,000. Okay, so I'm just going to add 10,000 over here, and so I'll have 30,000. And I'm going to subtract 790,000 to both sides. Okay, so when I do that, I subtract that. That's going to equal, let's get the calculator out here, 366,000. Okay, and then so that's negative, by the way, yeah, because if I subtracted 790,000 to both sides, that's going to be a negative. Now that makes sense because we're going back in time, so the years back is going to be a negative, right? So what is n equal to? So we're going to isolate or divide by 30,000, and we get 12.2 years. Okay, so what year would that be if we go back in the population? So if I subtracted 12 years, that would be 1968, and then so it would be during the year of 1967. So 1980 minus 12.2 would be during the year. So you're going to get 1968 at 7 point something. So that's the year 1967. Probably close to the end of the year for that. So Now, what were the populations? They're both going to be the same, so I can choose either one of these equations. So let's just go look at Pittsburgh. It'd be the same as Phoenix at that time, right? So we got 12.2. That's negative 12.2, right? Is equal to, so we've got negative 10,000 times negative 12.2 plus 420 space thousand. All right, so that is equal to, well, that's kind of easy. 122, it's going to be positive, 1,000, right? Plus 424,000, which if we combine them, we get 560. So no, 546,000. Okay, so back in 1967, they had the same population at 546,000. Right? All right.